Welcome. Here's a quick summary of the true manufacturing tour that I took this week.
Fridges here. We'll show more.
You'll see some great videos of some beautiful pieces that are now available in the residential market, like these here with the black and brass combinations. I was extremely impressed with the versatility of this product. Look at that beautiful blue unit. They do outdoor under-counter refrigeration units. Here's a combination of wine coolers with refrigeration and freezers, and beautiful blue and white options. They've got many colors to choose from, which you'll see in a moment here. Commercial units, of course. Look at that LED lighting. Indoor commercial units for things such as restaurants and convenience stores. But just amazed at the history of this company. This is all manufactured in or near St. Louis, Missouri. They are debt-free, run their company very efficiently. I think a lot of manufacturers and companies could learn from them. This is some of their historical products, and I think we even see a desk of one of the owners right here. So I would encourage you to look into this product on the luxury space as a consumer. Find a dealer that can help you with this. They put a lot of thought in here. There's the colors, by the way. Put a lot of thought into manufacturing the true refrigeration product.